Okay, so we're gonna finish topping this off right now with oil, an oil filter. So we're gonna pour a little bit more in there because it's not full yet. And then once it's full, we'll screw it on. So now we're going to take the oil filter and we're actually going to attach it. So where we unscrewed it before, we're going to put it on, and we're going to put it on hand tight, and then we're going to tighten it a little bit more, like a half turn to 3/4 turn, to make sure it's tight on there. And remember, we put that film on that gasket so that it should slide. So now it's on hand tight, and we're going to give it another half turn to 3/4 turn. Make sure it's tight. We don't want to over tighten it. There's no reason to do that. It has the gasket, and we don't want to strip anything out. So you can use an oil filter wrench or a strap wrench. Whatever you need to get it on and off. You can use a pair of channel locks, but I do not want you crushing the can or the oil filter itself. Okay, now that we got that tight, we're going to go back to the other side, and we are going to drain out the rest of the oil out of the oil pan. So we're going to come back to initially where we started.